Bakit kaya ganun sa parang structure? It allows you to run one or more lines of code repetitively. Pwede mong ulit-ulitin yung statements and structure until a condition is true. Hanggat tama pa, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. At kung mali na, oras na yata para tumigil. Parang decision structures din pala, no? Kasi yung decision structures, it allow you to perform certain actions based on decisions that needs to be made. Ikaw kung hindi mo ba to, dapat na akong mag-make. In Java, we use if and switch statements to check conditions and decide what to do. If tutuloy ka pa ba, then ano kaya mangyayari? Sakit pagmahal, di ba? Pero alam mo yung sakit.
Don't know what to do when I
Uy, Hans! Thank you for ako sa program.
when you pass by, I could fly.